Hey guys, just a update. We're going to test out, see if I got the tachometer working. We did the wiring and did the resistor, the 10 ohm. So let's see what happens here. Yeah! That is amazing. Very happy. Phenomenal. So yeah, another quick look at the Emerald Queen here. I'm going to do two very minor things now that that's done. I'll probably put another lamp back there. I noticed that one of the lamps has gone out since we've been working on it. That was the main thing. So the tach's working. Also, this thing's so sweet. It's got the air compressor and the air locker. So all that's fully working. And we installed, so it had these awful LED oil pressure and oil temperature. I mean, this one didn't work and it was leaking oil in the cab, which really annoyed me. So we ripped that out. And this one just didn't work properly. And they were mismatched and looked like crap. So instead, now we have these beautiful 3-gang set that shows oil, water, and we actually got the volts working too, because it's a triple setup. Why not? So you got volts there and volts in the corner there that's working. And in fact, the only thing that's not registering there is obviously the gauges on the end, which doesn't, they don't actually work with the 3.4, hence us doing the external gauges. And it's good to have real-time monitoring of your engine anyway, to see real status there. So yeah, there you go. That's the Emerald Queen's all set up and ready for the new owner. And it's going to be a beast. Beautiful 4runner. I'm very happy we got everything working. So there you go. So fantastic. Very happy there.